Hey, back at the farm, tractor thing. This is the water. Like nothing's been done. Like nothing's been done. Ugh. Get Delano here. Whatever. It's really just a bit of work. I saw them. Oh, they're over there building. You can see them. They're back. Hopefully this one's easy to rip out. But it did recede quite a bit. This is pretty dry. After a rain though. Shoreline. This will be able to get cleared up. You can drive the tractor in and get closer and work on the pipe and everything. A lot more shoreline. I had to see how much they dammed it. It should be up to the pipe, but oh, it's the rain that came. Yeah, that's where they got all the water from quickly. Not bad. Dad cleaned it out good. The pipe is exposed. Slower. A lot of debris here. There's a tree down. Looks like it fell over here, the stump. It's just laying across straight so it wouldn't flow. It's raining now. Looks like nothing's been done though. Like nothing's been done. But you can drive here. Dad was getting the roots here with the backhoe. He kind of forgot there's a tree living here. It's sticking up. Forks are here. Oh, the ground is, for after a rain, this isn't bad. It's pretty solid. Oh, tree stump here. Used to be a tree growing there. Yeah, this is enough room to maneuver around. Clear this berm out. And the beavers are back. Building up. I definitely hit the pipe earlier. I think it's the rain. I'll pull out a little bit and Tractor did load a lot less work. Pipe will have to come out and ooh, some of the trees over here. The one's turning fall colored. Looks like they're living. Oh, is the pipe pushing out water at all? No, it's going around it. Over here, you can see some water flowing. A lot of big logs they pulled back in. Maybe a foot. I'll have to rip down the lower dam. That one should be easy. Well, it's a lot smaller. But a lot of water did drain. Some of the trees, that one right here, it's in the water. That might make it. Other ones right here, they're turning fall colors over here. That should make it. It's dry now. Where did those beavers swim off to? But the road's uncovered. This used to flow right across here. I'd open it up. There's holes here. This big hole here. I had to open it up. It's actually pretty large. You can see. This is just the side one. I got the other ones. But the ground is stable. A little mucky, but definitely it's drying. There's the stick where I had the line before when we were here with Dad. So when we left, the stick was here and it dropped that much, which is good. Now just to clear this path off, make an open area to be able to work around here. That'll be good. But water is everywhere. Some bird poop. I don't see any hidden treasures underwater, but it was all woods. A lot of water back there still. Grab a pick, and every little bit helps. But at least the road's clear for equipment, so that's good. Dad really did do a good job cleaning that out. Up to the pipe. I was struggling. I had it that low before, but I think we did, yeah. It was once up to this tree, up to the edge right here. And that's about 4 feet down. So we lost 4 feet of water, about easily. 3.5, 4 feet. Not bad for cleanup. To get to the road, this tree, it's not bad. And trees are very happy. They're getting better. Some of them are out. Those ones were in the water. Starting to turn fall colored. The leaves, up here leaves. Over on the other sides too. And that poor tree, it was in so much water it flooded. Going over the road, pine of some type. Alright, last view. Standing here. The road was maybe here, so that kind of dried up. That was still in the water here. So right to here to there. So it's much better. The road's accessible, that's what matters, to the culvert pipe. And Dad's better at doing tractor now and more room to maneuver.